CSS is a reformatting language for web pages. HTML is a structural language for web pages and used to describe the structure of a web page. CSS is a presentational language for web page and used to describe the presentation of a web page. Definition: the standard markup language for describing the structure of web pages. A style sheet language for describing the presentation and design of web pages, including colors, fonts, and layouts. For content and structure of web pages, mainly for presentation and design. Architecture. Being the standard markup language for creating web pages, HTML uses tags that contain content. Selectors are declared using block statement syntax. Dependency. HTML syntax and structure formats can't be used with CSS style sheets. CSS is independent of HTML and it can be used with any XML-based markup language. Approach. Mainly used to develop the basic content of any web page. Mainly implemented for web designing, page style, formats, layouts, and other visual effects. Support. There is a lot of community support for HTML, which helps to utilize different web page structures that are standards across industries. CSS also has huge community support for continuous web designing improvements as per the current standards.